Let's go. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Merry Christmas. Beautiful Christmas. Lots to do today. I don't know. Well, forever and ever. Forever and ever. I don't know exactly what. I'm not done with the sub list that I finished on yesterday. But I also don't think I'm going to focus on that right now. So, tis what that tis. Shout out, moms. Love a mom. Love my mom. All right. Before it's too late. What was I just working on? I was trying to work on the swipe back, but it wasn't working whatsoever, which I think is probably fine. Would be nice. Can we make the background of the tags okay. Baby, while we're young. You know what I'm saying? Who? Do something crazy. Like say everyone. Ooh. Daily routine. You know I'll go. I'll go everywhere you go. Much better. Okay. You know I'll go. So people were having this bug That's how it happens. Okay. You could just have fun. Love with each other. Love one another. That's just like you. I think. Which, no. I think I know why the capture bar is disappearing for people. Well, to some extent. It happens when I click on the new list in the header bar and then go back to whatever view I was on. I think while we're editing the title of the new list, it prevents the capture bar from appearing, which is correct. But when we navigate away or stop editing the title, then we should get to see capture bar again. Can you please look into this logic and see if there is something to be fixed? Thank you. You gonna stop it now? Sorry. Who gonna stop me now? Pop one out. Who talking now? Check. Check. Get your money. Get your weight up. Who gonna stop me now? Mm. From the cloud to the telly on the phone. Keep quiet, keep quiet, don't tell nobody. Okay. I think we should be good to go now. Keep quiet, keep quiet. In the capture bar, the list picker label should have some formatting or date, title formatting, or whatever. Like if it is today's date, then display today. If it's tomorrow's date, display tomorrow. Else we can display the day's title or the list's title. Does that make sense? I guess we don't need to format it originally when we are setting the destination title, but displaying it in the component should be formatted, please. The other way. So let's check this out. God bless. Hey day, hey 10, real fix. You better keep, don't tell nobody. So, same issue with the key, with the my bad. Oh yeah? I don't know anything about that. What'd they say? Is it the 8-1? Yeah. the year. Expo SDK 54 beta and Expo Router V6 beta. Is that the exciting stuff? Yeah, yeah. And then got it right. What's your life like? Um, I don't know about that. I don't know about mine. I really need that social. Man, they're kind of freaking me out with these. Pipe. And then I got it right. Night. Tell me what your life like. Then I got it right. Night. Tell me what your life like. Money, money. Yeah, yeah. Rubber bands. Alexander Wang. Damn. Damn. I don't play with bangers. AK, but I don't even trust my bae. B. Body no. Dive right in the release. Blood all on my sheet. What's their obsession with these tabs? Bangers. Yesterday, but I don't want to even trust my bae. Yeah. Good morning, Rich. Gosh, cowbell is just an electric instrument. Like it. I'm not sure. I don't know anything about this game. I hope he's not trying to text me because I see I have a text message on my computer, but alright, whatever. Right on. I don't like this. You don't need no bed? Let me reorder some stuff. Yeah, we'll do this one. Yeah, we'll do this one. Like it or not. We might try this one. Like it or not. And rotation. Up in the spot. I think I did this one. No, it appears Joe is editing the podcast. I think I fixed that. Nope. Dude, what is so bad? Yeah, please do that. Nice. I mean, like yes and no. Cursor. Yes and no. Oh. Alright. I keep track of my pips. I track a lot of stuff. So, I mean, I can literally tell you the average number of poops I've taken per day for maybe a year. A lot of things I've been tracking for like 5 years, though. Why not? Why wouldn't you, Rich? Why wouldn't you? Sounds like you don't want to be educated about your own body. Is that funny? Ooh. That might be it. Is that the problem? Heyo. Heyo. That is the reason. Okay. God bless. I don't think your approach is the right one. I actually think it's that conditional based on is selecting. It stops. It seems to stop working after. How do I stop this? It seems to stop working after I select and then stop selecting. How do you track breathing? How do you do that? I don't track hydration. I just drink like a freaking freak. Sorry, pointing's not polite. But that was for you, Nino. Hey, Nino, have you ever listened to Ryan Beatty? That water slam was for you, Nino. I might die right now. Live on view. On live. Live on live. Ah, cool. That's awesome. That makes sense. I thought you were just like hitting a plus. Tracking those breaths. How many total breaths you've taken in a day? I track that. Wait, you don't track your blinks? Dude, step your track game up. Are you even trying right now? I've taken 3,500 blinks since 6 a.m. this morning. Get your steps up. Sorry, Ryan. This guy. Gay guy. Just important to state. Low guy, kind of guy. But good stuff. I like this song. It's a little gay, but it's okay. And I think this song, I forget which one of my favorite. It just came up on loop. Hey, there's nothing wrong with that. This song is a jam. You should listen to Power Slide. The whole album is fantastic, but this Power Slide one it's a jam. All right, should we figure this out? Oh. Nice. Cool. Yep. You know what I'm saying? Sorry. Selecting. We have to select. Ho! 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 I can't select tings anymore. That's not good. Oh no, I broke this thing selection functionality. Go! Bro, what are you doing? I think you're freaking out. You broke selection in the... Bro. We don't need this. Is this gonna fix the selection issue, my guy? Alright. Sit down. Thank you. Nice. Alright. What was that one? This is my Thor, this is my song. Ooh. This is my story, this is my song. You can't get wrong. What you on? Okay. The welcome message on the capture view in page 0 of the pager view rotates or changes a lot. It's jarring. Can we make it so the same message sticks every time we come to that view? It can change every time we come to the view, but once we're on the view, it shouldn't be changing. You're fixing that? Who's fixing that? I'll be right back. So what now? Show me. I mean, I ain't. Stop it. Let's see if they got it. What's on your mind? Is it saying that if I change? Oh yeah. Good job. Should that change it? Oh my gosh. Move my mind down and out. Yeah, down and out. Out. How did that bar go away? Hey. Be drawn. Wow, that's crazy. Whoa, bro. Wow. How does that happen? There we go. What is that? The capture bar still just disappears randomly in the capture view. I don't know why. I think I was just changing tabs or swiping between page 0 and page 1 of the pager view. I'm not totally sure, but it disappears and no capture bar is shown. I don't want you to get too crazy about it and make it I don't know. So if I background this, what's the plan? What are we planning today, eh? What are we planning today? What's on the plan? What's on the plans today? What did you just do? Because you just did it. You literally did it. Salt and pepper. Okay, it's gonna be okay. So while you were making those changes, it disappeared. Here are some logs in case they are helpful. There is no reason it should be hidden right now. So if you know why, please let me know. Get it over with. no. All right, chill out. Yeah, that's a good definition of it. Monster. That can't be it. I didn't do nothing. Do you feel bad about yourself? H. O. Thinking about me. Oh my gosh. Skirt. Skirt. Bounce, man. Hot, hot. Double up. Whoo. Whoo. Sorry. Bro. I. Somewhat. Double up. Roll right truck. What'd you do? Cool. Do I want to keep all like J's? J's. J's. Oh my gosh, give it to me. Okay. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Dude. Stop. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Let's just grow up. Rich. Not you, Rich. Cola. Why are you like? Because of jealousy? Yeah, yeah. What are you talking about? There's no way that that's the problem. Like, there's just no way. There's just no way. You're crazy. That was definitely not the reason why it's flashing back and forth between the focused state and not focused state of the capture bar. I'm not even sure why that would have been the cause. Can you look at the capture view? Maybe? Or maybe the global util UI? Or capture view, capture bar? Please? Mm. 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 No. We're not pressing that button though, my guy. Bruh. Yeah, I don't think that there is anything like that. Is there? I bet we could find an example. It would be nice if it worked. Sorry, I need a second. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? I just don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. What are you doing? Why are you doing what you're doing? Ooh, I did want to fix that though. Alright. I don't know. I feel like you're breaking a lot of things. I can see that when we are editing things and showing the edit bar, we are also still showing the capture bar, which I think is because you've added the are we on the specific tab, then always show the capture bar changes, which I don't think are correct. I think we just need the logic to be better and more reliable. I'm golly day. Like not being able to just click into the capture bar and start writing is concerning. Do you want to take another crack at it or not? What's up, dog? Cool. What number? Sorry. Let me revert the changes I made and take a fresh look at the actual problem. The issue isn't with the visibility logic, it's with the focus management. Can you help me understand what the current behavior should be? When should the capture bar be visible versus hidden? I want to make sure I want to understand. Yeah. Yeah. The capture bar should be visible on most views, not just the tabs. Wait. So, yes, it should be hidden when editing things, or when we are focused on the search field in the app header, or focused in the list name field in the day header or list header. Yes, it should be hidden in the selection mode. But most importantly, when it is visible, you should be able to click into it and type without constantly losing focus. I mean, yeah, that's on, yeah, of course. Yes, of course. That seems normal, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me see. The loop isn't still happening, but clicking on the capture bar does nothing. It doesn't allow me to write things down. How's that possible? How's that possible? What's my name? I just think the state is poorly managed and it's causing a lot of issues. What up, Bilbo Joe? Sorry. Cool. What's up? What's going on? What? Yeah. I'm gonna agree with that. I mean, bro, Basura. Yeah, it's not doing anything when I click on it. It unfortunately, even clicking the keyboard dismiss button in the capture bar doesn't seem to do anything. I agree that having a more centralized state management makes sense, so we don't need to complicate other components. Yeah. 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 What's going on? La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Uh-oh. Bro, are you gonna do anything? What do you know? Did you do something? No. Yeah, bro, it's not doing nothing. Sure, give it a go. Give it a go. Looks like you're getting close on context, by the way. Just FYI. Just FYI. You should be better. Just FYI. What's going on? Damn. Oh yeah, I'm all over this. I'm all over it, bro. Hit me, bro. Bro. That said literally nothing. Twins of regret. Na 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 na. Dang it. Did you do it? Nice. Alright. I mean, yeah, but also, like, no? Is that really what we wanted to do? La da 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 da. La da 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 da. What's going on? Bro. Bro. I mean, kind of gas. Why does the search bar not expand when I click into it in the app header? It used to start narrower, but then expand when it was focused. You know what I'm saying? La da 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 da. La da 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 da. Oh my gosh. Is it messing with me? La da 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 da. Interessante. And I can see in the logs it's getting set correctly first, but then not. Alright, I need to go to the restroom. BRB. Da, 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 da. What's up? Nice. What was that? Dude, why does it do that? Is okay. Alright. Alright. Fine. Fine. Lo siento. I know we're good. The list picker label still doesn't appear to be displaying today correctly when we're adding to today. I still want the date title to be passed in, but I thought we were processing the title into the most friendly version. Are we still doing that? Question mark? Alright, I'll fix the list picker not updating anything next. Oh, doesn't even show anything. Nice. It's good. It's very good. It's actually exactly what we wanted. What? No. 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 I still don't believe that's working. How is the date or list used for which day or list we are creating things on from the capture bar? I noticed I can't click on the day/list picker anymore. It doesn't show the at move modal. I don't know. I'm not doing anything, y'all. I'm just working on stuff. Trying not to be worthless. And I'm pretty freaking awesome. What's going on? I'm trying to find my place in this bro. Quicksand, 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 quicksand. I'm trying to find my dog. That's it. Quicksand, quicksand, quicksand. Well, what'd you do? trying to find my place in this bowl. I'm trying to find my place. Hey, Twins of Regret, ask me if I care. I don't. Alright, I quit. I'm quitting everything. Sorry, people. Can't do it anymore. It's really too bad. Base. I'm trying to find my place. Yep. Yeah, yeah. Thank you for the correction. Boom, 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 boom. That button literally does nothing. It's not doing anything. What up, G98 Productive? Goggly gook. I'm gonna remove that button. Done in it. They want me to drop, stop, go. Already home. Hey, hey, hey. I'm feeling a bit better. I think I'm still not all the way back. I have a bit of a sore throat. Tis what it is, you know what I'm saying? I hope to feel better. You're making it worse, I think. The position of the list picker is bad now. It's in the way of the capture bar, and the move modal still never appears. Maybe that should be centralized in the capture bar rather than handling it in the global utils. But I could be completely wrong. It used to work, so maybe just getting it working again would be good. You know what I'm saying? I think that's more about gargling. Is it? I think you're supposed to gargle salt water. I just slurp it. But I agree. How do I even have that? This is depression. Oh, I'm already home. What you think? It's working in the capture view, but it doesn't work in, say, the remember view. It's not doing the date title formatting, and the move modal doesn't appear. It seems like we should be able to get it working across views without needing to do specific things for each view. What do you think? What up, Renee? It's a doggy, it's a doggy dog world. Dog. Why is the title not being formatted here in the list picker? You know what I'm saying? Like, what's up? You know what I'm saying? Maybe one time we'll get to this one. Wouldn't that be exciting? Be so exciting. Dude. Like, what are we doing? Alright. Maybe I'll give it to you. Okay. It may be fixed, but I don't know. Can you... It's a dog. All night long, early morn. What do we use in the list title? It's a doggy dog world. It's a doggy dog world. Dog world. Doggy dog world. I'd like the title to be formatted similar to this old function. Title to date. Damn. Title to date. 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 Ti It's a doggy dog's world. What's up? Give me what? hook on this beat. I can't pick a different day from the move modal currently for the at capture bar to create things for. Do you know why that would be, bro? Running through the with my what was that? Forever main. Oh my gosh. That's on purpose. Oh. Is there a way we can centralize that? Johnny Bling. Backpacks. Ooh. Oh. Huh. Running through the six with my woes. I was running through the six. I was running through the six with my. It worked on the capture view and the remember view, but then it didn't work on the world view. Seems like it should work the same everywhere. Which makes me think the functionality around the capture bar should be more central and less split up, divided. I don't know. Later, Rich. Nice. Do you know if there are any views where we should clean up potentially duplicate code in relation to that setting, to those settings? It's kind of sad. Oh my god. Testing. We might. You can do it. I know you can do it. That can't be it. Is that really what we do? Shouldn't that be managed? Dude, what the dumps? And not. Like, we should be making sure we add to the right list depending on at list ID. But as far as rendering and a lot of that, I don't think it makes a lot of sense to have. And before, when it was working, I don't think we were doing that, but maybe I'm wrong. You want all the smoke. You want all the smoke. You want all the smoke. Did money turn me on? I mean, that was cool. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Ah, yeah. Hey. The capture bar will be shown on most views, so it may make sense to determine when it shouldn't be shown rather than when we're showing it. Just saying. What's this doing? I'm not sure. I'm leaning remove. What's important though is that the capture bar is re-shown when we navigate from a view that doesn't show it to a view that does, or from a state and edit state where it's not shown, and then now it should be, because we changed views or something. Wizard got everything. Nice. Cool. No. I just tried. I just tried creating a thing from the capture bar in the capture view to today, and it didn't appear in the page 0 things. Do you know what may have changed? Oh my god. I'm not sure what that means. What are you talking about? What is things? How long roughly did it take to make version 1 of things? What version 1? What's up? Version 1 of what? The original app? Well, that's version 3. This is version 4. Version 1, I think, took me a year. But it was web, it was pure web, and then it was wrapped in to mobile. But yeah, that was the first thing I ever built in my life. So it took me a long time. It took me 1 year. But I was also like learning how to do it and doing a lot of things very wrong. And then I rebuilt it again. And then I rebuilt it again. And now I'm rebuilding it again. But I think that that's the best thing to do, to be completely honest. Hello. Wow. What do these logs tell you? Sounds like the Matrix? In what way? Hello. Howdy. Oh. Oh. Build it again and again. Is that how the Matrix works? Maybe I'm not familiar with the concept of the Matrix movie. Okay. What? 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 Ooh. I think we're at the max. I think we're at the max. No, we're not at the max. What are you talking about? What about the movie? That's not how I remember the movie. Isn't the movie about like choosing to like be in like a organization or not? Is that what it's about? Like, are you part of the Matrix or you're not? Or are you gonna break free of it? Are you gonna be aware of it? Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I'm not very good at reading or viewing comprehension, I would say. So a lot of concepts just fly right over my head. I'm kind of just like not special. Just a normal person. Well, I guess I'm less than a normal person. Ming, 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 ming. Ming, 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 ming. What's so's? So's. Is that so's? So's. Keep going. Stop. Pay attention. Hands on the keyboard. No. Where'd that howdy go? I want some more, some more. Didn't I create a howdy? She wants some more, some more. Where'd that go? Nice. Mo, I want some mo, some mo. Dancing on the pole. Mo, mo, some mo, some mo. Baby. Dude. I can't tell if people are just in, like, extremely intelligent or not. I can't tell. I really can't tell. Ooh. What is that? I want some more. I want some more, some more. I want more. I want some more, some more. The new list button is stuck in the pressed or waiting to do something state. Can you add some logs to maybe figure out why? What? People think that they are and behave accordingly, then mess it all up. I think that would still fall into number 2. Just not. I don't think it really matters what they think. I think that would still be not. That's me. That's the one I'm in. Minus the I know everything. I don't think that. See this? What are we doing? How are you? How are you? What are you doing? What? I'm talking about the app header, my dog. I don't know. Oh, God. This must... Yeah, bro. Bro. Thank you. Hey. Oh, hey, oh, hey, oh. Dang it. Did you? My favorite friend, love. Yeah. For real. Oh my gosh. I've been out my mind. I do my dance on a F. Alright, we're done with this one. I don't care. Let's look at info. Yeah, you're doing great. Good job. Can you please... Now pump that Now bump that. Now bump that. Now bump that. The info button in the select actions isn't working. I'm not. Now pump that, now pump that, now pump that, now pump that, now pump that. I'm not seeing the info modal pop up when I have a thing selected. Can you please help me figure that out? Now pump that. Now pump that. Now pump that. Now pump that. Yeah, you found it? Let's go. Shake it. Crazy. Hate it. Let's go. All right, let's try it in like the list view. God bless. Create account, not working. Let's try it. You're doing great, thank you. Lightning speed. Another topic, over the weekend, using AI, I coded the first tool or widget for my blog. It was still so hard to do. Nice. WYA. Okay. We're going create an account. Let's see it, people. Let's see it. Let's see it. Can we make it so you can't close the login and sign up modal by clicking in the background? You should need to click on the close button in the modal in order for it to be dismissed. But the fact that I developed something from start to finish in 1 weekend is so cool. I love those green buttons on the new app. It makes using twos just simple. Cool. A lot of people don't like them. Apparently, don't be down, 'cause I'm right. Let's see it. Let's see it. Did they fix it? Oh, would it be my people? My people. Thank you. That was, which one was that? That was this one. Yeah. Create account is not working. Oh yeah. Wait, not login. Bars I know. But wait, home. Right pocket. What you want? Okay. What should my Bach? Password is gonna be, get out of here. Ah! Mission of please don't me down, 'cause I'm I'm flying. Please don't. I am. Can you help me fix the sign up flow? I can't sign up right meow. This is the log that I get. Let me do my own investigation first. And aim at them. Cause I'm flying. Oh. Here is the old sorry. Here's the old action in case it is helpful. What you think? Thanks. New to using Discord and overly concerned my missteps will annoy the community, heading to the help thread to look for a solution to my pain point. And myself. I actually don't think that that new user part only has to do with if we're creating an account when we already have one, but we don't have that in this version. People won't be able to do that yet. We should use the ID that we already have for the created user that oh we already have. Does that make sense? We're essentially just adding a username and password to the existing user when they sign up. The girl. I like pistols and pearls. Alright, let's freaking scat. Love this woman. Everybody on them. Everything. What did I want my thing? Bah. You won't? That worked. Thank you. Can we remove some of those logs and add a success toast when the profile is created? Thank you. Wait, no. Bach. Stop. Wait. I don't think we updated the state or something, because I got the success message in the logs, but it still appears like I'm not logged in or signed up. So what about it? Oh, never mind. What was that about? Wait. Now I see my data in the side menu. I don't know. That was confusing. It took a while to update or something. Run up the racks, I'm doing it. Run up the racks, I'm doing it. Run up the racks, I'm doing it. Trying to defizz. Red. Chopper. All day. Can we format the username if it is an email? We probably should just show everything up until the @ sign in that email / username. And that could be anywhere that we display a username. Let's include the @ sign at the end of it so that people know it's coming from their email and they haven't actually set a username, please. You won't. Run up the racks, I'm doing it. How do you undo your duplication? What? Hi, Mandy. What do you think caused the duplication and on what device? Is this on mobile? Web? Did you resync the calendar? Connect a different or connect the same calendar on a new device? You mentioned getting rid of the calendar, so I'm surprised the events would still be shown. Or is that a different calendar from what is duplicated? Nice, let's freaking go. Get stuff. God bless. Look at you. So cute. Thank you. Nino, are you a Kaytranada guy? Not a loaded question. All right, let me log out. Can we display a toast message when we log out? It can say log out successful or whatever. Please. Kaytranada. Kaytranada? This guy? He's not Metro Boomin. He just put out an album, I think, last week. Yeah, 5 days ago. It's kind of gas. I've listened to it a few times. Ah. Ah. All right, dope. Let's go, squad. All right. Let me think about this. Okay. Hey. Hey. Good stuff. Golly day. Yeah. Ho, hee ho, hee ho. Ooh. What the happened to our... What happened to our format bottom sheet? Do you know? Looks good, huh? bro. This doesn't look weird. They used to be in a side scroll. On me. No, no, no. No, 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 no. No, bro, you're not looking at it. Why are you not looking at it? Yes, please. Nah, it used to look like this. I'm home. You did better, but I've been wetter. Me, motherfucker, you get better. Down on me. No, you wrote down K Tronada. But golly day is right, dog. Golly day. Look at that little kitty. Look at that bacon, egg, and cheese. A little everything. That's everything right there. It's the definition of everything. Oh, sweet. Shut on Mandy. I don't know if I would, I just downloaded a bunch of K Tronada because I'm about to listen to all K Tronada, but yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Like, what are you talking about? How is this right? Why so many words? You know what I'm saying? Here is a thing that I am struggling with developing is how to track all of the fast changes. What do devs write down and how do you organize it? I don't think that there's a strict answer there. I think it's whatever works. It's the same thing with like, what do you write down? Literally what's ever important to me. As you should do. The same to you. There's no answer. Ow, ow. I think that's correct. Come on. Let's go. God bless. Oh, oh. I'm not sure I love your slicing in things. It should just be the top row of buttons, which is dash, to do, star, complete, link. What are the other ones? Link, sublist, photo. And then the bottom row is indent, outdent, join, split. The bottom row should have flex 1 on each button so they fill the space, no swiping. The top row is scrollable. I don't know. Look at this. This is the design I'd like, please. No, I have literally 0 answers. And maybe there's not even an answer. I don't think that there is an answer. I don't think that you should necessarily be hung up on the answers. I think that you should just do. There is no answer. That's the answer. This ain't that. Good boy. Great job, thank you. Turned down for what? Wow, since it's legit. Yo! Nice! This ain't that. Let's go! Let's go! Oh my gosh, make my day. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah. Create an account isn't working. I don't believe you. Go to hell. Let's go back. Let me do a not email. Thank you. That's what I was hoping for. Yo, chill out with the rock. Nice. Thanks, Renee. There's no answer. It literally changes. It literally is case by case. It literally is individual peopling. Steps. Removed sports calendar on iPhone and Gmail. Open Two's iPhone app settings. Deselected sports calendar there. Got to work. Open laptop. Still getting notifications from sports calendar. Went to Two's tab in browser settings. Didn't see the same thing I remember from the app interface. So I selected to change default notificator to family. Went back to iPhone app. Got the idea to click remove events, then resync 3 primary calendars. That's when I noticed the warning, too late. Looked at app and web tab and saw duplicate events. The sports calendar is gone. Try refreshing web. I think you're okay. This ain't that. What's happening? So you downloaded an iOS app on your Mac. That sounds about right. That sounds about right. That is a right thing. Cool. At login modal at auth. Can the account created success message be a toast message rather than an alert, please? Thank you. Okay. Plus button should go back to the capture view if on today. I'm gonna do this one first. I think I expected more. Which, yes, I understand that is the problem. But I think I would expect, yeah, more, not less. Pew! Phew! Because if you're a OG choose or a OG live stream viewer, I've shown a lot of photos and videos of the goats. You just don't. You weren't here. So, yeah. Dude. What are you doing? Oh, nice. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Nice, thank you. Nice. Do we always use these utils? When showing toast messages? Like, what do we use after move or log out or deleting a list or ding? Or ding. Yeah, what did I lie about? I don't lie. Yeah, Joe, you'd be amazed, bro. When I like go on runs, or when I used to, where they could see the road from where they were, they would like, they see me, they know me, and they would start doing their, what do they do? What sounds do goats make? It's like, bah, bah. But they completely do. I've shown a video of before I left, them like saying bye to me. They love it. They're my kids, or at least that's what lady friend says. She calls them her kids, and does not associate me with being the dad. She says I'm stepdad, which I take offense to. Honestly, it's kind of offensive. But yeah, they're dope. I love them. Yeah. I think it just makes sense to have everything more centralized and reusable. But I don't want to break any functionality, like with the clicking to navigate to the list after a move and stuff like that, you know? Guts. Bah. Bah. Yeah, dude, the guts are sick. I can't wait to have guts. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, they have to be the goats. The goats. Mascot is a goat. I had one of them. Yeah, dude, of course. Usually they don't let me pet them very well. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Sometimes if I try to like pet them, they'll get their horns going and they'll horn me. But one of them was being super friendly with me yesterday, and it made my fingernails so dirty, but I was just scratching the crap out of him. And he was loving it. He was loving it. So we were bonding. He's number 0262. 0203 used to be my favorite. I think I have a new favorite now. Sweetheart. Yes, please. No, I've not. I was actually going to... They moved them. So they used to be in this place that was very easily to see them, and I could go see them whenever I wanted to see them. And then I left for San Diego, and then I came back, and they're gone. The fence is gone, the goats are gone, and I was so sad. I couldn't find them. And then one day I was walking, and there's like a part of the parking lot where I could see them off in the distance, and I was like, oh my gosh, they just moved them. And then I was saying, I'm gonna write a letter to these people and say, hey, I live over here. I liked feeding apples to them from time to time. Do you mind if I still like come onto your property and do that? And then I got really sick, never wrote the letter. And then yesterday, when I was walking, I could see one of them kind of closer, and that was the video. I walked up to the fence through the parking lot, and right as I was walking up, one of them starts doing their baa thing, and then all of them started baaing, and I caught the video of them all running. I don't give them names. I just give them... I just call them by their numbers. They all have numbers. Gosh, this guy's a sweetheart. Check this guy out. This was the one that was letting me pet it. Look at that guy. So sweet. He's being so nice. They do this thing where they both will jump, or not jump, but like get on their hind legs, and then they do like head each other, headbutt each other, midair. Not midair, they're on the ground. But it's crazy. But yeah, look at this guy scaling this tree yesterday. Trying to get those pieces of lettuce, or whatever you call those, leaf pieces. But yeah, that was so epic when they all started running at me. I know a lot of them now. Like there's a hierarchy of them. The first one that showed up is the dominant one. He's the guy that headbutts all of the other ones if they're getting too much. And he's not getting enough, he'll headbutt you. Okay, what am I doing? What's my name? Completing things. Let me log out and log into tester. But yes, they 1000%. Creepy eyes? I thought their eyes are so cute. The way that one was looking at me, dog. Some of them, I agree. Oh my gosh, they look sketch. Joe, I don't know if you've seen this guy yet, but this guy's a psychopath. He's up on the fence, trying to sniff me. Trying to sniff it up. This is the guy, though. Yeah, I think I'll show you these guys. Yeah. Some of them are like really old, too. They're cool. I like animals. This was the old favorite. The left, not this one. The brown one, that's 0203. I like him. They're so funny. Yeah. Okay. Let me get down here. Can we make it so we can swipe to complete reminders in the @reminders today section, like we can swipe to complete things in @thing item, please? You won't. Yeah, I think eating cheese is chill. Honestly, some of them look like they need to be milked or whatever it is, cheesed. Milked. Yeah. Absolutely. Yeah. Yes. All right. Nino, you know things. What should we do about these arrows? I'm still kind of confused about what to do about them. I like your, like, what date it is. I was actually thinking about that yesterday. I was like, I hate that we don't know what day or day of the week it is on today or tomorrow. But then again, when we get here, having like August 22nd here and then just having this like Friday, I don't think makes as much sense. Because if you're like 2 Fridays away, having it again stay Friday, August 29th maybe is not the best design. So, I don't know. But I don't like these. I could see a calendar picker maybe. I like the hint that you can swipe it. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Do we? Nice, let's fucking go, baby. Wait. Yeah. Yeah. What was my idea? What did I say? What do I do? So what does that mean, Joe? I should end the stream? I mean, I am surprised I'm still doing it. I wanted to end it like, and not just the stream, but you know. Yeah. Yeah, that didn't really help anything. I'm sorry. I mean, I guess I don't know. Maybe I'm not sorry. Yeah. Shouldn't we be able to click on the alert icon in for a reminder in the reminder today to get the reminder details and potentially delete the reminder like we can normally in at thing item? Bye, Renee. Love you too. In terms of ending it, not the stream, you know. Yeah, I know. So what are you saying? You're just repeating what I said? Colors. Bro. Get it. Some color. Get it from her mother. Baby. LOL. Okay. I geeked up all day. colors, 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 colors. Test reminder at 1 p.m. What's up? Let's see. Oh. So silly you. Nice. Colors, 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 colors. No need for the green background color when swiping a thing to be completed in the add reminder today section. Nino, what was my idea? Because I'm so confused about what to do. I want this to say August something here. But I don't want it to say that here. I just think Monday is so dumb. Bro. No. I still want the strike through and stuff. Just not the green background. My guy. Let's go. Nino. With the Larry, June, and Cardo and your top artist, July. Golly day. Hard. And your Bobby Caldwell's still ripping. Ooh. I kind of like the day of the week being in there. I like that idea. See, Nino? Do you see? Do you see? Golly day. Yep. Yeah. Okay. We're slowly getting through them. I'm done. Well, for now. What else I do? Yeah, yeah. Let me see this. Does this work yet? 22. Let's go. Dude. Dog. Where did that go? What's up? Friodo? All right. God bless. Thank you for being here. I love you. Yeah, we're in it. I'm not, we're not diving into that. I love you. I love you. Hey, one day at a time. One moment at a time. Sheesh. Just give me a little win. All right. Yeah. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.